In this video, you'll learn how to scan a QR code on Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your Trust Wallet with your mobile device using a QR code for seamless transactions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer and navigating to the Google search engine. This is where you will start the process of accessing Trust Wallet. Once the Google homepage appears, you will be ready to move on. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension. If you have already installed the Trust Wallet extension in your browser, you should see its icon in the toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Trust Wallet interface, which will allow you to access the features necessary for scanning the QR code. After the Trust Wallet interface opens, look for the Settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to access the configuration options for your wallet. This action will lead you to the Settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your Trust Wallet. Once in the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Sync with Phone. Clicking this option will prompt a new message to appear, instructing you to scan a QR code with your mobile phone camera. This step is essential for connecting your wallet to your mobile device. Now grab your mobile phone and open the Trust Wallet application. You should see a section that allows you to scan QR codes. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Make sure the QR code is well lit and in focus for accurate scanning. This action will establish a connection between your computer and mobile device. After successfully scanning the QR code, return to your computer and look for a button or link that says, "I completed scanning the QR code." Click this option to confirm that you have scanned the code with your mobile device. This confirmation will finalize the synchronization process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.